Welcome to Generations College. We know technology can sometimes be tricky, and when issues come up, our IT support team is here to get you back on track quickly. In this short video, we'll walk you through how to submit a help desk ticket so we can assist you as efficiently as possible. Start by going to generations.edu/IT support and click Visit IT Support Portal, and then click Submit a Ticket in the top right-hand corner. First, enter your contact information. Type your Generations email address and hit Enter, then enter your first and last name. Next, use the drop-down menu to select your role, student, faculty, or staff. Then, choose the correct department for your issue. Building for campus facilities problems. IT for issues with computers, the network, or email. Online learning and for Canvas or other class tools. Now, briefly summarize your problem in one sentence. For example, can't log into Gmail. In the detailed description box, explain more fully. Include when the issue started, any error messages you've seen, and what you've already done to try to fix it. Next, choose a priority level. Low, minor issue. Medium, somewhat urgent. High, very disruptive. Urgent, critical problems like systems being completely down. If you have a screenshot to help explain your issue, you can attach it here. This step is optional but very helpful. Finally, review your information carefully. Once everything looks correct, click Submit. And that's it. Submitting a help desk ticket takes just a few minutes, and we'll get you the support you need to keep moving forward at Generations College. Generations College, empowering your success.